This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Oh, hi there! Today we're going to 10 products most people don't even know IKEA sells. IKEA offers roughly around 12,000 products. It can get pretty overwhelming. So today I'm giving you another list of the 10 coolest IKEA finds you probably didn't know existed. I'm Ann, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It really helps our channel so much and it helps you to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The very first gem I have for you is the INVALLNING Utility cart. This trolley for boxes is actually a new product at IKEA and it's such a smart solution. With this trolley, you can easily roll your things from one place to another or move larger boxes that are heavy or awkward to carry. However, the casters can be locked, so you can easily use it anywhere around your home, by a wall, in the middle of a room, or under a desk. What I love most about this one is that you actually get a trolley that's completely customizable, since it can be paired with any boxes you like best. It can fit almost all cube-shaped boxes from IKEA. And my favorite combo are the Panzertax boxes. And again, I'm loving this product so much. The next IKEA gem I have for you is the VINDRIKTNING Air quality sensor. First of all, kudos to IKEA for selling so many air filters and sensors that look so aesthetically pleasing. And that's actually the thing I like most about this sensor and think it's such a gem. The design is so gorgeous and looks so minimal. This sensor actually checks the air quality by detecting particles in your home. You just need to connect it to a USB-C cable and wait just a few seconds and a light will indicate 3 levels of air quality. You can place it in the living room, bedroom, or other rooms where you spend a lot of time. With its small size, you can easily move it from room to room wherever you need it most. The next IKEA product most people don't know about are the UPPDATERA Adjustable drawer organizers. Now, you may have seen these organizers at IKEA, but did you know that these are completely customizable? Yup! These organizers are actually made so they can be easily cut with scissors and rearranged so the dividers fit anyone's storage needs. I actually have slightly smaller drawers and most drawer organizers just don't fit in my kitchen drawers. However, these are so easy to cut and customize and are indeed the perfect solution for keeping your utensils organized. Not to mention the material, which is so soft and dampens the sound when you open and close the drawer. Plus, this color and fabric upscale the look inside your drawers so much. The next IKEA hidden gem I have for you is the VARDÖ Underbed storage box. Now, IKEA has many underbed storage boxes and drawers. However, this one is just such a gem since, first of all, this storage box has casters, making it so easy to roll in and out. Plus, it has a textile lid that you can easily fasten with the poppers to keep the dust away, which is so smart. This underbed storage box honestly looks like a legit underbed drawer and can hold so many stuff, yet comes at such a great price. Another IKEA hidden gem is this Ivor shelving unit. Why is this such a gem? Well, this one actually comes in the same dimensions as the famous Kallax unit. However, it's made out of solid pine wood and I absolutely love that. I loved the shape of the Kallax unit so much. However, the Kallax series is just so low in quality. It's literally one of those IKEA pieces that's made out of cardboard. And to see this iconic IKEA shelf made in pure pine is just such a dream. Pine is a timeless material with natural variations that make each piece of furniture unique. You can hang it on the wall, use it freestanding, or incorporate it in the Ivor system. Plus, you can paint it whatever color you like, which gives you so many options and makes it such a versatile piece of furniture. Before moving on to the next IKEA hidden gem, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the real gem when it comes to designing beautiful websites. First off, their Fluid engine is like having a magic wand for web design. It's a next-generation web editor that makes crafting gorgeous websites a breeze. Its intuitive drag-and-drop technology makes it super easy for anyone to whip up a stunning website. Also, if you need help with creating the perfect content for your website, Squarespace AI is here to save the day. Whether it's for your website, product description, or emails, it just generates instant, personalized content that perfectly captures your brand's vibe. Not to mention the Squarespace Blueprint AI and SEO tools, you get to choose from a collection of professionally curated layouts, creating a unique online presence that's tailored specifically to your brand and optimized for every device. So what are you waiting for? Head on to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to our IKEA gems. Another hidden IKEA gem is the Hugo battery charger with storage. I love this product so much, especially since I'm a camper and have so many battery operated lamps and lights for camping and throughout my home too. And just having a charging station like this where I can not only charge the batteries but keep them organized at all times is just such a gem. This battery charger has 8 separate charging channels, making it possible to charge up to 8 rechargeable batteries at the same time. What I love most about it is that when the batteries are fully charged, the charger will switch to standby charging so that you can store your batteries in the charger if you are not using them immediately. It's a practical storage without the risk of overheating, which is so smart. The next IKEA hidden gem is the FÖRSKAFFA Insulated Lunchbox. This insulated tiffin box retains the temperature and makes sure your food stays nice and warm at all times. Plus, it has 2 tires, so you avoid mixing different food in one container, which is absolutely amazing. Not to mention the fact that it has a secure and tight-fitting seal, allowing you to bring your food safely with you. Plus, it's designed with clean lines and a practical handle that protects your hands from handling the warm surface. Such a nice and practical food container that's so much better than using plastic. The next IKEA hidden gem is this small trash can. I've actually found out about this trash can on my last trip to IKEA, and I'm honestly obsessed with it. First off, you can add this can on the cabinet door, which is so smart, since with this trash can hanging over a door by the sink, you can easily dispose of peels and other waste when cooking or cleaning the sink. I got one for my sink and another one for my kitchen top, which I use as a coffee knock box where I dispose of my coffee grounds. Just such a budget yet smart and practical solution for disposing your trash. The next hidden gem I have for you is this anti-slip rug mat. Now, why is this a gem, you might ask? Well, I've had so many rug mats throughout the years, and none of them, trust me, none of them works at keeping your rug in place as this guy. Also, just, can we address this? This is such a quality mat that does the job so well. It not only keeps even my thinnest rugs from sliding around, but it also makes it so soft to walk on. Plus, this one is machine washable and just works perfect for keeping my rugs in place. And the last IKEA gem I have for today is this oat drink for coffee. Now, I've mentioned this one in my last IKEA haul video, and I honestly can't stress enough about how much I like this one. I'm just so picky when it comes to plant-based milks, especially the ones I add in my coffee. However, this one tastes so good, plus it makes the best foam for my cappuccino. It's just unbelievable. I know this one is a bit random, but I've been using this oat drink for years, and I feel like I haven't shared it with you. So yeah, it had to be on my top 10 IKEA hidden gem list this time. And that wraps it up for today. Did you know about these IKEA gems? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to check out my other IKEA hidden gem videos to learn about even more IKEA hidden finds. I'll make sure to link all of them into the description box together with all of the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Sleepy boy as always. But that won't stop us from getting a closer look, right? Let's go. Buddy. Now guys, a fun fact. By the time you're seeing this, we're actually on a vacation and we're filming a vlog. I promise we're filming a vlog. Right, Mars? Tell them we are. No, you don't look convincing, buddy. What's with the feet? Oh my god. You're just gorgeous. Boy, boy, boy.